Hello, welcome to Someday Farm. I'm Stephen Watson with today's Tàijíquán Tip. And today's tip is to practice your Tàijíquán with a walking stick. I have a kind of fancy aluminum one, but it could be a stick that you find on a hike. It could be a ski pole. It could be adjustable like this one or not. But the idea is to use this to steady yourself in your practice on uneven terrain, which I'm not on. I'm on a nice bamboo floor that my teacher installed. But that's the usual idea. But the idea for today's Tàijíquán tip is to use the cane to sense out the place that you're moving to. So if I feel like this area I'm fairly confident in or familiar with, or I've remained present in, I may just hang on to the stick. But then the next bit of my form takes me over here. I may feel with the stick first. Or if I have a longer transition, maybe I'll use the stick to help myself steady, like through Snake Creeps Down, for example. And I find this especially fun when I'm going to the rear. So instead of kind of looking over and doing this, and not quite doing the same thing as somebody who is blind or visually impaired may do, sort of this kind of tapping and reaching. It's really just having some confidence in setting the stick down and learn something about the place that you're moving into. And then make your step. Find yourself in your centeredness and feel, and then continue. For me, if I end up working in a little area, like on Wave Hands Like Clouds or Fair Lady Works the Shuttles or something like that, if I'm kind of working in an area like in Penglujian, I may kind of end up using the stick as a tool in the practice. And then, okay, now I'm going to travel, so I'll actually touch to the floor with it, or I'll use it to help me transition through a stance change. And it's really just to kind of develop a tactile relationship with the ground through a tool rather than through your set of expectations, which are purely mental, or the physical touch of the feet. So thank you very much. Enjoy.
Here are all the ways you can help besides online reviews and subscriptions. Thank you, thank you, thank you.